Good morning, children. Can you tell me what are the important things we need to live? Yes, it is air, water, and food. But we also need clothes to wear, a house to live, and things in the house for our use. We also need a school to get good education, a hospital for our treatment when we fall sick. Now, there are some things that all the people need. For example, school, bus station, railway station, road, bank, hospital, etc. All these things we can't get it on our own. So, the government provides all these facilities for the use of all the people. These are public facilities. It is for the use of all the people. So today in EVS, we will learn about these public facilities and how and why we have to protect them. Now here you can see the picture of a library. Now what is a library? A library is a place where we get all kinds of books to read. We get books on different subjects. We get different magazines, newspapers to read. Anyone can go there and make use of it. Now when we go to the library, we have to maintain some rules. Now, what are those rules? First of all, we should not talk loudly in the library because it will disturb the other people. And then, secondly, we should not tear or dirty the books. We should, after using the book, we must keep it back in its place. Next is you can see the picture of a bus station. You know, bus station is a place where buses arrive and depart to different places, and we use this bus station to go to different places to travel. Now, first of all, it is for the use of all the people. So we have to keep the bus station clean. We must not dirty the bus station. We have to throw the waste in the dustbin. We should not litter or spit around. We have to save the water after we use the taps. We have to close the taps after using it. We must not waste water. And we must there are vendors there selling things. We must see that they keep their eatables covered, that insects and flies do not sit on the eatables. Now, the next public facility is the picture of a hospital you can see here. Why do we go to the hospital? We go to the hospital when we fall sick. We go for a treatment. The doctor treats the sick and he cures them. We have to keep the hospital clean. We must not litter or spit around in the hospital. And we must not throw waste and dirty the hospital premises. And then we have to wait for our turn to see the doctor. Next, you can see the picture of a park. Here, people go to the park, the adults as well as children go to the park to relax and enjoy. So, we should keep the park clean. Children, when they are playing, they should not fight. They should wait for their turn to play. They should not damage the playthings. And also, we should not pluck flowers and plants from the park. It is grown to keep the park, to make the park beautiful. So, we should not pluck or pluck the flowers and plants from the park. Okay, here, children, you can see the picture of a post office. Now, what is the use of the post office? We send and receive letters, parcels, money order, and telegraph messages. We also deposit money in the post office and keep our money safe. We should not damage this public property. Now here you can see the picture of the street light. Now what is the use of the street light? You can see on the roads everywhere the street lights. In the evenings it becomes dark, so we need the street lights. It provides light during the night. We can avoid falling in the dark and avoid accidents. Now here you can see the picture of the washrooms or toilets. Now we should not, when we are moving on the road, we should not urinate or pee on the roadsides. Instead, we have to make use of these washrooms uh, to avoid making the roads dirty. Now, when you use the toilets, you have to flush the toilets before and after use. Now, here you can see the picture of the roads. Why do we need roads? We need roads for the people to travel and to transport things from one place to another place. So, we need good roads. If roads are not good, then there is the possibility of accidents. Okay, and when we are on the road, we should make sure that we follow the traffic rules to avoid accidents. Now these are all, there are many public facilities provided by the government. They are all for the use of all the people. We must not damage them and we must take care of them. Children, read this lesson from EVS textbook on page number 106 and try to understand the lesson. Thank you.